Hello, my name is Thomas Hoffmann with Hoffmann Machine Company, and this is our PP2NC dovetail routing and drilling machine. The Hoffmann PP2NC is a programmable multi-keyway and dowel-hole routing and drilling machine. It is designed to process two parts simultaneously prior to joining and is a perfect solution in the window, door and furniture trade and industry. The options of routing dovetail grooves are from bottom up, top down, inside out or outside in at any location. The positions of up to 9 dowel holes are programmed at any position within the entire cut face of the profile. On completion of the machine cycle, the material is released and can be taken out of the machine. The machine can be equipped with Hoffmann dovetail router bits W0, W1, W2, W3 and W4. Drill bit diameters range from 5 to 8 millimeters. To create a new project, we go to the programming mode of the machine. We push the New button and we enter the width of the profile, for example 125 millimeters. The profile height is 25 millimeters. Now we go to the programming of the keyway and dowel hole positions. We have the choice of routing from inside out, outside in, bottom up or top down, as well as the different drilling positions in X and Y direction. We select routing position from bottom up. The position of the keyway would be, for example, 35 millimeters from the corner, and the keyway length we set at 65 millimeters. Now we go to the drilling setup. The vertical drilling position is set at 12 millimeters, the horizontal position at 52 millimeters. The last step is to file this new project under any alphanumerical name, as an example A22. If we now go back to the home screen, we can see our programmed new project with one keyway and one dowel hole in the yellow window on the screen. The sequence shows a typical processing of a window mainframe profile with 4 dowel holes and 1 keyway. This sequence shows a general frame profile with 2 dowel holes and 2 keyways. Here you can see the variety of applications the machine can handle, from single grooves or dowel holes up to combinations of both joining elements for heavy-duty tasks. The machine can handle various materials such as solid wood, MDF, OSB, WPC, particle board and plastic material. A view into the control cabinet Hoffmann only uses top quality components for the electrical and pneumatical controls of the machine. These components stand for high quality and replacement spares are available worldwide. Window and door profiles, architraves, cornices, standard general frames are just some examples for the scope of applications of the PP2NC. Other and very special workpieces like handrails, glazing beads, picture frames and many more round up flexibility of this machine. Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.